Hi guys, Tiasa here from freebodydanceclasses.com, and today I'm going to teach you a slow combination. I know I always show you like how to do things with like strong, slow beats, and you know things that are like slow, the bump like or strong beats. But today we're gonna do something that's like from start to finish, completely slow beat. So like dun 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 dun. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So really slow, not much drum beat going on here, okay? So what I'm going to show you is going to look like this. It's actually a 2-turn frame in the head, 1, 2, slide to the side for 3, 4, and 4, 3, 4, and then 5, 6 is a belly or upper body undulation, and then 7, 8 is a big circle with the hair and the head. Okay, so done fast, it was gonna look like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so let me break it down for you. What we're doing here is, first of all, we're gonna start this combination standing straight. That's very important, okay? Because we're, you know, what we're gonna be taking our next steps is very important from where we're at. So we're going to start straight, and we're going to take a step back here with my left as I'm turning to the left, and I'm going to drop my left arm. I'm going to frame my head with the right arm, okay? So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, step back with the left, drop the left arm, lift the right arm, frame your head as you turn, and the step is going to be 1, the turn is going to be 2, okay? So here we go. 1, 2. Lost my balance a little bit because I did a little bit slow, but it's one of those moves you have to do fast. Okay, so one more time: 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2. What's going to happen here is as you turn, you're going to find yourself kind of losing your balance. One way to compensate is our next move, which is a step side step, like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to step with the left first on our 1, 2. Turn with our right, but since we're going to be losing our balance with our right, we're going to take a step to the side with it, and then what I'm going to do with the right arm that I just framed my head with is I'm going to slide it to the side, kind of hug myself with the side and lift my left arm up, and then we're going to have this going on here for 3, 4. Okay, I'll do that a little bit faster. It's one of those moves you really have to do fast to get, okay? So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so I'll do that one more time for you together. 5 and 6 and 7 and turn. Turn for 2 and step for 3. You can add the hair action that I just did or not. You don't really have to do it. If you do it, it kind of exaggerates the move, but you don't really have to do it. But if you do, make sure that you take your head to the side that you step on. So if I step with my right, my hair is all going to go to the right, and I'm going to hug myself on the left. That way my arm is away from the right side so I can see what I'm doing on the right side. And then I'm going to lift, obviously, my left. Okay? So that's slow motion and really pausing it. But we got to do it a little bit faster to get the right look, okay? So 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow down, take my time, and do an upper body undulation at 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So 5 and 6. Okay? So I'm going to start it over again. We're going to keep adding every 2 counts at a time because it's easier to learn that way. Okay? So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6. As you can see now, when I step to the side 5 and 6, I am on my toe on 6 on the right. I stepped with the right, I brought my right foot to the side, but it doesn't really matter too much, except that it helps us hold our balance better. When one foot is flat, the other one is just toe, it helps us hold our balance better. Now from here, as you can see when I did my upper belly undulation, I kind of put one hand on my head and the other one on the side and did my 5 and 6. Now I'm going to do 7/8. 7/8 is going to be a circle. I am facing the left, so obviously my circle is going to be a left to the right. Okay, if you're facing the other side, you do the same. But since I am right-handed, I find it easier to always do things with my turns on the left side. So I'm going to do my left circle, my last circle of 7/8 from left to right. So I'm going to do left, dropping all my hair down, and up at 8. Okay, so from here it's going to go like this. This is my 6 and 7 and 8. Now, I'm losing obviously balance. Everybody's going to do the same learning this move, but let's do it faster so we can actually get it together. So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Now the last 7 and 8, we were like this at 5 and 6, almost. We started like this, 3 and 4, then I hugged it on the side, just dropped the other one, 5 and 6, and so I'm extending my left arm out because it's ready to be extended. And then I grab my right arm, and then I kind of, you want to kind of like hide whatever you want to hide. For most body, that's just the cleavage. You don't want to go down, kind of like that with a hiding cleavage. So you want to use your right hand and hide the cleavage. So 7 and 8. And then take it from here to your next move, okay? So I'll try that again very, very slowly. Very slowly. Like you guys are watching me like slow motion on a video. So it'll be like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, back. Turn, frame the head with the right. That's 1 and 2. Step with the right. Hug yourself with the right. Lean to the right at 3. Bring it in at 4. Okay? Now, bring your right arm to the side, keep the left one extended, do an upper body wave, 5 and 6. Start doing the big circle with your hair, with your left arm still extended, 7, and bring your both hands together, and 8. Okay, so let me try that one more time. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so that's the full combination. I'm going to try that one last time, and I know you guys could rewind and watch it as many times as you want to. Okay, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then take it from there. Okay, so that's the combination. It does kind of sound a little bit fast, but I call it a slow combination because there are no drum beats in it that's going to make it feel like it's a fast combination, because it still is kind of a slow combination because there are no drums in it. So hopefully you guys find it helpful. Helps you guys, get some ideas of what to do with some slow combination. You can slow it down and you can speed it up as much as you want to, because it really all depends on the music that you guys are using. Okay? So hopefully you find this helpful. I'll see you next time. FreeBellyDanceClasses.com is our website. Our YouTube channel link and our Facebook link are also on the website, FreeBellyDanceClasses.com. I'm Tiaza here. Thank you for watching me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.